Have you ever wondered how creators are making millions on Instagram? How is it even possible that people are making money just posting pictures and videos of themselves? Trust me, there is a lot more that meets the eye, and in this video, I'm going to pull back the curtains of the creator economy so you too can also start raking in the cash on Instagram. Now, one of the first ways creators are making money on Instagram is through affiliate marketing, and honestly, as a creator myself, this is one of my favorite ways to make money on Instagram. Now, I know this may sound like something fancy, but trust me, it is not. And honestly, you don't even need a lot of followers to start using this method either. Now, affiliate marketing is honestly a very simple concept. You literally get paid for referring people to products and services that they buy. So what creators do is they create content around products and services that they love, and they share it with their audiences in cool and creative ways. For example, maybe they read a great book, something like Think and Grow Rich, which I'm honestly reading right now for like the third time. And they tell people to go check it out via Audible. And if you sign up for Audible, that creator gets a small kickback for you signing up. Or maybe the content creator is a business owner and they love using ConvertKit as their email provider. So they tell their audience about it and offer them a free trial. Some of these affiliate programs can offer up to $100 per sign up. So if you do the math, if you can get 100 people to sign up, you can make $10,000 within a month right there. By the way, I do have links in the description for both ConvertKit and Audible, and they're both totally free to sign up. So try it out. Now, the second way content creators are making millions on Instagram is by selling their own products and services. Now, this probably sounds like a no-brainer at this point because it definitely seems like everybody is trying to sell something on Instagram. However, content creators are smart and they know how to create products and services that are really gonna speak to and appeal to their target audience. Now, the perfect example I see all the time is with Instagram chefs. Almost all of them are selling some type of recipe ebook or some type of cookbook, and a lot of them are even selling their own spices or cookware. And I'm not gonna lie, Mr. Make It Happen on Instagram has definitely derailed my own personal diet trying to make some of his dishes, but God is good. Now, the third way creators are making millions are through brand deals and sponsorships. Brands are looking to work with creators more than ever, and they're willing to pay them big bucks to do it. Some companies are willing to spend upwards to $1 million for one simple Instagram post. Why, you may ask? It comes down to one simple marketing strategy called word of mouth. You see, people are more likely to purchase something based on a recommendation. Before you purchase that product on Amazon, you probably look at the reviews. Before you try a new restaurant, you probably look at something like Yelp to see what other people are saying about it. Before I moved to Atlanta, I asked my friends recommendations on barbers because you know your boy can't have no jacked up hairline. And companies know this and they try to use this to their advantage by working with creators within their own niche that they know their audience will know, like, and trust. Now, knowing how creators are making money is literally only half the battle. Knowing how to create an active and engaged community is literally just as important. Now, watch this video here so you can learn how you can start growing your community the right way so you can start monetizing it.